Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Ultra and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings. I'll start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So here in the settings we have to scroll down a little bit to find the option display and brightness, and then scroll down to find eye comfort and sleep. So let me just ignore this sleep health. I just want to focus on this regular basic eye comfort. Here we've got also the AI eye comfort, so of course you can turn it on. Just tap on this option and tap on the switcher. Basically your device means to kind of scan your eyes and whether you're tired or not, and then turn on the eye comfort. But as I said, you can obviously use this basic one. So let's simply turn it on by tapping on the switcher. And here we've got two different switchers. The first one with the color temperature, because you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is basically to filter the blue light. What's more, it is much easier. It will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can change this color temperature, the intensity of that feature. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. So obviously it's up to you which intensity is the best for you. And here we've got also this paper texture. So by going to the right, I hope that you can see that our device will basically apply the paper-like texture to the background. So I would say that the background is kind of noisy or something like that. I mean, it's quite personal whether you like it or not. I will just turn it off and adjust the color. Obviously, you can use the paper texture with the temperature set to the warm side. You've got also display effects. So basically, you can display the colors. They will be obviously affected by the eye comfort mode, and you can display everything in black and white manner, as you can see on this preview. So it's up to you whether you wish to use it or not. You can also schedule that feature. Just tap on it, tap on the switcher, whoa, and you can freely choose the start and the end time. Just set it on turn on and turn off, and then your device will apply the mode accordingly. Alright, I don't want to use it. So this is the whole customization of the eye comfort mode, and if you wish to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully and try to find the eye comfort, which is right here in my case. So just tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.